Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Thank you for the opportunity given to us today. We are the Barang 7 team, and we are here to present our progress report, the Indonesian Traditional Robot Dancing, also known as PRSTI, under the project called PBL RA04. So, symbol for our project is the primary focus of this project to develop our humanoid robot capable of performing traditional dance in strict compliance with the Indonesian Dances Robot standard. Furthermore, we are currently integrating artificial intelligence to enhance the human-robot interaction system. This is our presentation outline. So first, we will introduce our team members and also who is our manager project and co-manager project. And then we will discuss about our job list. Then is project design, and then ongoing tasks, our timeline, and the end of goal project. Here is our project manager in Barang 17. As a project manager is Miss Naurana Siva and co-manager project is Miss Nurun Rafiza. Here of our team member in Barang 7. So our team is divided by 3 main division, that is mechanical division, electrical division, and programming division. In mechanical division, there is Anissa Sinta, Dewi, and Alexander Nathanael. In electrical division, there is Mutiara Kairunisa and Resha Dianovita. In programming division, there is Fitria Salsabila, Dr. Sebastian Tamba, and Desa Istumorang. This is of our member job desk list. So every person in our team have different job desk in the semester. So as you can see, there is our every job desk list in our member. Okay, the first one we will discuss about project design, that is in mechanical, electrical, and programming. For this slide, we'll present on my partner. So by Alexander Nathaniel Ginting. So time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Yesaya. Okay, this is our mechanical design. We use 4 different types of servo, such as Dynamic Cell MX28 for its chest, Dynamic Cell XL320 for its arm and head, Dynamic Cell XL430 for its shoulder, and Dynamic Cell XM540 for its boot. Okay, next.
Okay, wiring electrical diagram for parallel 7. We use LiPo battery for S16.8 volt as a main voltage, and for mini PC we use Orange P3B, and we use IMU NO055 using for straighten move of robot. And then we have 4 kind of servo. There is XL320, XL430, MX28, and XM540. And we have O32. We use it for communication from servo and mini PC. And because our mini PC and servo has a different voltage, so we have a 3 step down in our robot. There is step down fixed 5 volt. We use it for mini PC. Step down 7.4 volt. We use it for XL320. Step down 11.1 volt. We use it for servo XL430. And for MX28 and XM540, we take directly voltage from LiPo battery. There is 16.8 volt. And as a protection, we use fuse. There is fuse 3 ampere for mini PC, fuse 1 ampere for XL320 and XL430, and fuse 2 ampere for MX28, and fuse 5 ampere for XM540. And we have a switch. We use it for turn off or turn on the servo. And for button, we use it for play the robot. And for micro button, we have three. We use it for running the program. And LCD OLED, we use it as a LCD indicator system. Next. And this is our PCB that we use in our robot. There is three PCB. This is PCB field orange P. We use it as the main PCB in our robot. We use it for separate voltage in our robot, as I explained before. PCB servo and IMU. PCB servo for XM540, and this is PCB LCD OLED. And for main PCB, we place it in chest of robot, and for PCB servo, we place it in hip of robot, and for PCB LCD OLED, we place it in the back of robot. Next.
Sorry. Okay, this is the program design for motion choreography and tuning. So as you can see, we have three program that is visualized by three different flowchart. So the first program is RedIMU. The program is to read and share the data to share memory, and run the same is the program to collect the data and save and store the data in memory. And run motion tuning is the program to run motion choreograph and tuning. So as you can see, this flowchart show that this program have two mode, that is walk and bias. So when the walk mode, the robot can perform the choreography, and the mode bias, the robot can adjust offset the servo, or in the other name is tuning. Okay, this is the program design for human-robot interaction system using computer vision-based hand gesture recognition in Orange Pi. This program is to detect the finger and make the robot play or stop. As you can see, this is the decision to check if the vision or camera is detect are the five finger or thumb finger. If the five finger is detected, the robot will stop. The robot will stop, and the thumb finger is detected, the robot will play. Okay. For our progress, we'll continue by our partner Alex. Time is yours.
Okay, these are the upper bodies that start from head to waist, and the lower body that start from waist to feet. Okay, these are the previous this robot. The right one is the improvement robot design. Why we change the design? Because the previous design was to the height, because it's the previous robot design was too tall. So we changed the design according to that set by competition rules. And its torso was too wide, making the robot sense movement less visible when dancing. Okay, next. Okay, these are the foot design. We changed the foot design. The previous design length are 100 millimeter, and the new design length are 125 millimeter. Okay, next. Okay, these are the new foot fabrication. We changed the design because we changed the foot design because sometimes when the robot start moving, it become unstable. Okay, next. These are the battery box design. We just changed the length of battery box design. The previous length is 98.5 millimeter and the new design is 110 millimeter. Okay, next. Okay, these are the battery box fabrication. These are the prototype of new design battery box. We changed the design because there was a change in PCB. This part is placed inside the upper body robot. Okay, next. Okay, these two designs are the new part that is the cable holder design. The left one is U22 cable holder that placed in robot's back, in upper body in the robot's back, and the IMU cable holder placed in the waist robot back. Okay, next. Okay, this set will be explained by Reisha.
Okay, this is our PCB, new PCB shield RNP. As you say, in the previous, we have three kind of PCB. There is main PCB, PCB servo, and PCB for IMU. We separated because we want to lose the weight of robot. So because of that, we separate. But we have a problem of that because for PCB servo, we place it at the shoulder of robot. Sometimes it will hit the cable. Sometimes servo will hit the cable, so it will sometimes disturb the servo. So because of that, I change it. So in this three PCB, I make it just one PCB like this. Next. Okay. This is a 3D view of PCB in KiCad, and this is the finished product that I assembly and fabrication of PCB. Next.
Your
Okay, sorry. This is the show us implementation of the tuning program and execution of dance choreography before for the program before that. As you can see, this is the rendition program and this is the run setup, and this is the main OP plus GUI IMU plus active button. So for the our program before is to complete if we want to running the dance of robot is to complete. So many program will be run. In the next improvement, we make the program to simplify this program, that program, the program before. As you can see, we just run three program, that is run DCM, run motion tuning, and IMU reader, IMU program for collect the data. As you can see in the left side, the robot will dancing, and in the terminal, this is the terminal for show the IMU operation and time-based motion in our robot. This is the IMU, how the IMU is, how the data IMU is collect. As you can see, this have feature for reactivate again of the IMU if the IMU is disconnect. Okay, I will show. Okay, sorry, maybe I will next the slide because the network is okay. For this is program demonstration for human gesture. In the left side, you can see this is the improvement from human gesture before from UTS in AAS. So in the left side, the robot can detect 5 finger and the robot will stop. But the motion that's running is not uh, the motion, the last motion. In the after, we improve the program to continue the last motion in when the robot is stopped. For here, as you can see, this is the program tuning recorder. So in this AS, we improve our program, and the left side is all tuning recording system. Is still using terminal, and now we using the GWave for tuning. Okay, for our project timeline, we start from September up to January. We have many progress and we have many job desks in this period. In the September, we list an innovation project problem. We make decision from the project problem. We improve the robot design in mechanical. We fix IMU cable and connector for PCB servo. We also fix the debugging of motion record program, and also clean up the document. In October, we make prototype and fabrication upper body for 2 robots. Also, we make the program that improvement from before program. In November, we improve the robot design. We fix the cable again because the robot still have broke. We also research in SMD components. In December, we design PCBs in 2 Orange Pi. We assemble PCB. We improve the run setup. We also make the program improve from program before. In January, we implementing the PCB cell to robot and complete the documentation. For our future goals, we will improve our body design and change 3D print part into aluminum. This is because for make the robot is more solid. We also improving the smoothness of robot movement. We also want to improve the LLM feature to our robot more accurate, more fastest, and more clean. And last, we maybe will following the rules in robot competition in KRSTI in next semester. Okay, for the conclusion, so dancing robots are humanoid robot designed to dance based on traditional Indonesian dance movements. In Indonesian context, dance robots are now in the form of KRSTI, which participate in Indonesian robot competitions. This robot can dance with music, and in line with the theme of KRSTI 2024, they can perform in dance movement of the robot Penari Oleg Tamulilinga from Bali. Additionally, this robot can interact with humans through a smart can hear questions, convert them into text, process them using the LLM or large language model, and respond via voice. This technology makes the robot not only a dancer, but also an interactive and educational companion. Okay, we acknowledge that we have encountered several challenges and limitations during the implementation phase. However, we are committed to continuous improvement in the future development. That concludes the result we can share in the semester PBL progress report. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.